Hi guys, Gina here at Tome Wellness. I want to talk to you about two of my most favorite products that I carry here. They're by Xymogen. And the first one is Cortisolv. Cortisolv will help you manage your cortisol levels. You're probably wondering, what does that mean? Cortisol, if it's too high, it can cause eye twitching, irritability, weight gain around the midsection, insomnia. If it's too low, it can cause extreme fatigue and depression. So Cortisolv is a supplement that will help bring your levels up if they're too low and bring your levels down if they're too high. And it's just 2 capsules a day. This is Cortisolv, my favorite. The second supplement that I like actually helps with blood glucose or glycemic control in your body. So if you can't tolerate the GLPs like the semaglutide or the tirzepatide and you're having all these cravings, Berberine ES-5 can help with that. So it just controls your glycemic index. It helps bring your levels down to where they need to be if they're too high, and it helps with cravings. I take one of these before I go out for a glass of champagne. I'll take one 20 minutes before and it'll block the sugars from the alcohol. So this is a great product. Both of them together are definitely a must-have on your daily vitamin regimen.